Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see another video on autoload files in Composer using PSR-4 method. So let's get started with today's video. So first let's see difference between PSR0 and PSR4. So now PSR0 is deprecated and now PSR4 mostly we are using. So now if you will see the syntax of PSR0 and PSR4, so it's just that key is different and then how it will search for a particular file that is different. So on the right hand side, you can see the directory structure SRC book history United States. So if I define with PSR0, so book will be having namespace and SRC folder. So it will look for SRC book history United States. But if same you will define with PSR4, it will look for SRC history United States .php. So there will be difference of book. So now let's see PSR4 with example. So firstly, let me show you composer.json file. So here autoload, you can see I have kept it as a blank as of now. Then let's move to index.php. Here you can see namespace I have given. So here you can see controller folder is there and sample folder is there. In controller vegetable is there and in sample spinach is there. Then vendor autoload file I have included, and after that you can see vegetable and spinach like instance I have created. So if I'll show you vegetable class, so namespace you can see it's app controllers, and inside that class I am having. So there are two functions, and now if I'll show you spinach, so here also you can see namespace app slash samples, and I have used vegetable here, and here also you can see I'm having some function. And now in index file you can see I have used this namespace. So now let's see once in browser how this one is behaving. Now here you can see here fatal error is coming that class vegetable is not found. So now let's autoload this. So let's go to composer.json and here write PSR4, and this will be as an object. And now let's write here first namespace. So here namespace which we have is app, and it will be src folder. So now you can see that name is different for src folder, so src will be considered as app folder now. So now let's dump autoload files, run command composer dump autoload optimized one. So now you can see new files are generated. Now let's refresh. So now classes function are called and their results are printed. So if I'll show you in index, you can see. So here you can see for vegetable I have called get color, that is purple one printed, and for spinach I have called cooked and is cooked, so that is true and false printed. So that's how you can autoload files in Composer using PSR-4 method. So I've shown you a very simple example. So I hope you like this video. If you haven't done, then comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.